Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. CO detector with alert modes and 2 LED lights that pulse for power and company detection. Electrochemical sensing technology. CO alarm detects the presence of carbon monoxide gas. 85 decibel alarm. Protects during a power failure. Colorado detector operates on 3 AA batteries. Easy to read digital display. Allows for easy viewing of carbon monoxide levels. UL certified. 10-year limited warranty. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Protects during a power failure. Carbon monoxide alarm contains a 9V battery backup in case of plug-in failure. Temperature range 40°F, 4.4°C, to 100°F, 37.8°C. Easy installation. Plug can be installed in any outlet of your home, or use the attached extension cord to place on a table or shelf. Peace of mind. When CO detection is normal, a red dot appears in the lower right corner and blinks. Includes a test button. Electrochemical sensing technology. CO alarm detects the presence of carbon monoxide gas. 85 decibel alarm and memory storage. UL certified. 10-year limited warranty. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Keep your family safe with this easy-to-use, battery-operated carbon monoxide alarm. Battery-powered alarms provide continuous monitoring of CO levels, even if there's a power failure. Features an advanced electrochemical carbon monoxide sensor that accurately detects carbon monoxide levels. No matter where the detector is placed in the room, the alarm sequence should last 5 to 6 seconds. If it does not alarm, make sure fresh batteries are correctly installed, and test it again. If the unit still does not alarm, replace it immediately. A loud 85 decibel alarm sounds when CO levels reach dangerous levels. To ensure complete protection, make sure to place one on each level of your home and in each bedroom. 5-year limited warranty. Equipped with end-of-life signal chirp, so you know when it's time to replace the unit for safety. All first alert CO alarms are rigorously tested to meet UL standards. First Alert has been the most trusted brand in home safety since launching the first residential smoke alarm in 1958. Based on a First Alert brand trust survey in February 2018. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. CO detector alerts with a loud 85 decibels warning signal indicating dangerous levels of carbon monoxide in your home. Plug-in that still works during a power failure. 2 AA batteries included. Provide backup for your CO alarm in the event of a power outage. Easy and quick installation. Plugs into any standard AC wall outlet. Purchase multiple alarms for whole home detection. Place one carbon monoxide detector on each level of your home and outside each sleeping area to help protect against poisonous CO gas. UL certified. 10-year limited warranty. See more product details.